Hello, great people. We have this simplification before us here. We are giving a log function to evaluate. The question is your log 625 to the power of x base 10 plus log 25 base 10 all over log 125 base 10. How do we evaluate this without the use of the calculator? It is pretty easy. And of course, we cannot use calculator to even evaluate this. Why? Because we're having a variable attached to the variable at the exponent here, and we don't have equality sign here. This expression is not equated to any function. And so, how do we evaluate this? So we're going to simplify this. So take our solution, which is the first step here. So we have solution. All right. So if you check the figures given so far, they are all in base 10. The log is to base 10. But if you check this figure here, 625 can be expressed in base 5. This can equally be reduced to base 5. And this can equally be reduced to base 5. So that is the first joy or the first trick you see in this challenge. And so we're going to reduce this to base 5. And so we're going to have here our log, going to have our log, base 10. Then we have 5 to the power of 4, we give us 625. Then everything times our existing x. Then we have here plus our log 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power of 2. The base 10. Then we come to the denominator, we have our log. Your 125 can be expressed as 5 to the power of 3 base 10. Here we're going to apply what we call the property of logarithm, which is called the power law of logarithm. What does it say? It says that when you have your log, let's take a to the power of your b, it said move this exponent back here to give you your b times the log of a base 10. Of course, this is to your natural base 10 or base e. And so if we move all the powers backward, then the first one is going to give us something of this kind, our 4x, then into, that is times our log, our 5 to the power of 1 now, which is same thing as 5, the base 10, there plus our 2 times log our 5 base 10 all over our 3 times log our 5 or in base 10. Wow. Now look at this. Here we have log 5 base 10, log 5 base 10. So let's factor that out. So this is going to give us our log 5 base 10 here. If we use this to divide this, we are left with our 4x there plus we use this to divide this, we are left with our 2 there, close bracket, all over our 3 there times log 5 base 10. So what you discover is that this will go with this. So we are now left with our 4x there plus our 2 all over our 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, in other words, our log our 625 to the power of x there plus our log 25 there base 10 all over our log 125 base 10, right? Everything when simplified will give us our 4x plus 2 all over our 3. Wow. So this is the final answer, well evaluated. Thank you for watching. See you in our next class.